some. That way you don't have to have your foot like that. There's that left leg. There's the shoes. I saw a little bit of pairing right there, so I'll do a little work there. Just check his elbows. Check his elbows. Hey, boys. Alright, let's take a quick look. So there's the leg impact. Okay. We're just scrape up that leg. See how good those gloves held up. Very good. Good gloves holding up. He had the shorts on. They're not really that short. You want to have short shorts, but over 4 inches, you can see they're not short for pants now. Scrapage on the leg. You gotta work. Stop. Brake lights. Why do they have brake lights? Okay. Oh! Just in case they take off. Very good. This is what I like right here. So, knowing your controls and pushing buttons and being done. These people, when they're like panicky, when you guys stall, they're like, and then they finally get it. Watch this guy. Watch how he knows which controls. Brake. Engine shut off. Kickstand, turn it off. Clutch, downshift, move it in. Because you have to put it in. You have to put it in neutral. I think you put it in neutral so that you can actually push it. It's not pulling in the clutch. So he knew all these different things. So I can not see people know stuff. Here we go, boss. Big jog. Here he's squeezing his shoulder down. Light. Oh no. Oh, get something. Alright, going a little fast. Around corners, just go ahead and get screwed on over right here. And I know you got debris and whatnot, so scoot over though. We're on a little dual sport thing. Just scoot over because you never know if the car's going to come around this way. You gotta be very, very careful. There is the problem. So, position for safety. We locate the hazard, we located it, now we have to do something with it. Either adapt to it, and that's just kind of, shimming away, or we're swerving or braking. That's going to be the navigation of the threat. Okay, red station. What do we do? Okay, we found the escape path. Only the motorcycle can do this. So good job, okay?
Pareho sa tema ng mata mo.
Okay, tayo na po.
This is on an interstate where it's a very good space cushion. I want you guys to understand this is a very good space cushion. So this is what I want you guys to be having when you're out on the road, whether on interstate or even in town. I like to have a big space cushion just in case something happens. Okay, so I just want to point that out. Make sure you have big space. I'm guessing that's where you got it fixed. Eventually, the black F-150 was found at fault and was cited. No injuries in the vehicle. He was lucky, and so was his bike. He's somewhat damaged, but not bad and permanent. He wants to make sure everybody understands, be as visible as possible. Make sure that the car drivers are keeping an eye out for everybody. If that's what he's saying, what it is what I think is what we need from this. So moving forward right here, he's going a little bit fast around this area. Now I understand all these people in line are wanting to turn.
Andito na yung chicken.